সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমরা সেপ্টেম্বরের 2 তারিখ থেকে স্পোকেন ইংলিশের একটি নতুন ব্যাচ শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি। আর সেটার অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট দিতেই মূলত আমরা আজকের এই রেকর্ডেড অডিওতে এসেছি। অর্থাৎ a new batch on spoken English by Mustafa Kamal sir is going to be started from 2nd September 2021. Days Sunday and Thursday, class time 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 90 minutes each. Days will be on Sunday and Thursday, time 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Total classes will be here 24, 90 minutes each. Platform Zoom app. Platform Zoom app, payment system bKash or Nagad, course fee ticket 3,000. Unique features of our courses, PDF files are provided. Participants can enjoy recorded classes after class hour. For further information, one may communicate at these two numbers, or you may mail us at pathwaytutorial24@gmail.com. After payment through bKash or Nagad, the students are required to send their name, cell number and email address through a text message at 01705776685. Course outline for spoken English, day 1, topic 1, describing daily routine. Topic 2, describing role model. Question, asking questions with do, does, am, is, are, have and has. Vocabulary words used in describing liberation war of Bangladesh from 1 to 150. Day 2, topic 2, describing yesterday's routine. Topic 2, describing what you have and what you don't have. Asking questions about study and seat of learning. Then asking questions with W's words, did plus extension. Vocabulary as well. Okay. Day 3, topic 1, how to introduce oneself. Topic 2, describing your family. Framing questions with was, where plus extension. Framing questions with had plus extension. Vocabulary topic 3, 4, 5. Day 4, why are you interested in developing speaking skill? Topic 2, what would you like to be in the future? Why? Framing questions with was or where plus verb with ing plus extension. Vocabulary topic 6, 7, 8. Day 5, topic 1, what you would like to do if you win lottery of Taka 1 crore. Topic 2, what will you do if you become a BCS cadre? Framing questions with W's words plus will plus verb plus extension. Vocabulary 9 to 11. Day 6, topic 1, if you have Aladdin's lamp, what you would demand from it? Topic 2, your university life. Yes, your university life. Then framing questions with will be plus extension. Framing questions with will have plus extension. Then vocabulary. Day 7, topic 1, differences between village people and city people. Topic 2, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Framing questions with W's words plus will be plus verb with ing. Vocabulary topic 15 to 17. Day 8, topic 1, one of the historical places in Dhaka city. Topic 2, one mega development projects of the present government. Asking questions about parents. Vocabulary 18 to 20. Day 9, topic 1, if you were the Minister of Road Communication and Bridge Affairs. Topic 2, functions of Deputy Commissioner DC. Questions about Bangladesh. Asking question about 6 seasons of Bangladesh. Vocabulary topic 21 to 25. Day 10, topic 1, what changes you have seen in Dhaka city over the last 5 years. Questions about liberation war. Asking question about Dhaka city. Then vocabulary topic 26 to 30. Day 11, topic 1, why we should be careful while selecting friends. Topic 2, what you want to be in the future and why you think you are fit for the same. Asking questions about games and sports. Asking questions about science and technology. Asking questions about games and sports. Asking questions about science and technology. Vocabulary topic 31 to 35. Day 12, topic 1, your hobby. Topic 2, steps taken by the present government to tackle coronavirus. Asking questions about money and power. Vocabulary topic 36 to 40. Day 13, topic 1, how do you treat human beings? Topic 2, topic 1, how do you treat human beings? Topic 2, your childhood. asking questions about satellite TV. Vocabulary topic 41 to 45. Day 14, topic 1, what kind of music do you like most? Topic 2, a place you would like to visit in the future. Asking questions about education and prosperity. Vocabulary topic 46 to 50. Day 15, topic 1, what do you like to do outside reading? Topic 2, drug abuse. Asking questions about fruits and formalin. Vocabulary topic 51 to 55. Day 16, why should we earn handsome amount of money? Topic A, what a country you would like to visit in the future. Asking question about rivers and economy of Bangladesh. Day 17, topic 1, how can we reduce the rate of committing suicide in our country? Topic 2, a language you would like to learn except English. Then asking questions about electronic and print media. Day 18, topic 1, what qualities should a good teacher have? Topic 2, coronavirus in Bangladesh, asking question about environment pollution and fragile human health. Day 19, topic 1, Cox's Bazar. Then your favorite sports person, asking question about Bangladesh industry. Day 20, the Sundarbans, a popular food product in your region. This way we will cover 24 classes. 24 classes, and we follow 2 books in this course. One is How to Learn Practical Spoken English, published by Gitanjali Prakashani. Another one is Usable Vocabulary for BCS and Bank Written. Usable vocabulary for BCS and Bank Written. And admission is going on. A student from any corner of Bangladesh may join here.